Did you know rainforests are called the lungs of the earth? But why? Rainforests, like the Amazon, produce around 20% of the world's oxygen, making them vital for life. They absorb billions of tons of carbon dioxide every year, slowing down global warming. Rainforests release moisture into the air, creating clouds and influencing rainfall patterns worldwide. By maintaining biodiversity, they keep ecosystems healthy, which also stabilizes the climate. Destroying rainforests means more carbon dioxide, hotter temperatures, and fewer resources for future generations. Protecting them isn't just about trees, it's about us.